Hello to all my fellow numismatic coin collectors out there. This is Numismatic King with another numismatic rant video. So I'm in a Walmart parking lot right now, and I'm about to buy some cutlery. I'm just doing parking lot deals again. I'm out and about, boys. So if you guys have had some parking lot deals lately, let me know in the comment section below. I'm waiting for this lady and her husband to come out in a Nissan Murano, apparently, with a bunch of discounted cutlery sets that I'm going to be purchasing off them, hopefully. So we'll see what happens. This is part one of my parking lot back deals in the Walmart parking lot. Stay tuned for part two, guys. If you guys like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Numismatic King, signing out.